In this video, I will show you how to fix Fortnite no sound on Windows PC. But before we get started with the video, please don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. So to get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to correct output device. So you'll need to open settings. So in here, go ahead and head over into the system section. Click on system. So under this, click on sound. So this will redirect you into the sound settings. So in here, go ahead and make sure that your speakers or headset are set as the default playback device. So once you have set that up, that should resolve the issue. But if that doesn't resolve the issue, the second thing you can do is to update audio drivers. So you'll need to open the device manager by clicking on Win X on your keyboard and then selecting device manager from the pop-up to be able to update your audio drivers. So in here, go ahead and expand sound, video, and game controllers. And then from there, you'll need to right click on your audio device and then select update driver to update the driver of your audio drivers. So after you do this, this should resolve the issue. But if that doesn't resolve the issue as well, the last option that you have is to reinstall Fortnite. So if all else fails, uninstall and reinstall Fortnite to reset any corrupted audio settings. So that's basically how you can fix Fortnite no sound on Windows PC. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.